Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide an album in Google Photos. And let's get started by open Google Photos application. So quick check at the right top is you use your correct account. After that, let's move to collections, and right here we have albums. So I wanna hide this album, what called to hide. But the problem is when I select photos here. Oops. Okay, so I select them and I cannot hide them. Also, I cannot hide an album. We have no options here to hide it. But we can hide these photos. So how you can do this? You need to return to the main photos feed, and right here we have these two photos that I have in the album, and we have two options how to hide them. The first one is to move them to archive. So let's move this to archive. I select it, then scroll down, archive. Now I remove these photos from main photos feed, but if we return to the album, I still have this photo here. You can also use the search to find this photo. So if you want to totally hide this photo from the main photos feed and also from the album, you need to move it to locked folder. So let's do this. Again, press and hold, select some photos, scroll, and you need to move to locked folder. Let's do this, move, and I remove it from the main photos feed. If we return to the album, oh, not this one. So right now I have only one photo here, and you have access to this photo if you in the collections scroll down. At the bottom you'll find locked folder line. So you need to write your password to enter here, and we have this photo. And I hide it, so I cannot use also a search. Now, if you decide to return the photo to the album, we need to firstly remove it from locked folder. So select the photo, or you can select multiply photos, move, and move. Okay, I just did it. And if we return to the album, again, the problem that we have in it. So we need to add it again to the album. That's how Google Photos work. So main photos feed, select the photo, add to album, and now we should add it. Okay, so collection, and again we have these photos. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.